Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the Wi-Fi card on the Lenovo V15 G2 ITL notebook, which is this new laptop computer. But if in the future you want to upgrade the wireless connectivity, for example to Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7 or Bluetooth for a better, faster standard, you will have to replace the module inside. I will show you how to do it, but first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. To open the computer, you need to remove the screws and unhook all the tabs. If you have difficulty doing this, I have a video on the channel showing how to open this computer without damaging anything, and with the whole process to be able to help you to open this computer. It's not difficult, as I already done that. I just have to take off the cover and reveal the inside of the computer. This is the Wi-Fi module for wireless connectivity. It's this card here. If we bring the computer closer, we can see that is this small board, which plugs into this connector, and it has connected two antennas, which are these wires that go around the computer. Let's start by unplugging each of the antennas. Be careful not to break it. Just pull carefully, and then the antennas disconnect from the connector on the board. I'll try to put it to the side to take the other one off. Now I need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the module to the motherboard. I'll try to pull the antenna to the side to be able to remove the module, and we take out the screw. Be careful not to drop it inside the computer, and without a screw to hold the module rises. Then just pull it in this direction and it pops out easily without forcing. This is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, the computer's wireless connectivity card, and as you can see, it's very easy to remove. So now, to upgrade, we have a new board module here. But be careful, because the new module, even if it is Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7, it will have to have the same connector and the same size. It cannot be a longer module because it will not fit in this computer. This is the maximum size that this motherboard will fit. I have the size of this standard in the video. I'll talk about the specifications of this computer. So when you have a new module, a better, faster Wi-Fi, because this is evolving. We're going to fit it. I'm going to lift the computer and we fit the module at an angle to the connector in this position about 30 degrees. Then we press the module to be parallel to the motherboard to fit into the screw hole. Then we put the screw in place. Be careful not to drop the screw inside the computer. Use a magnetic screwdriver for that. Then carefully screw the screw to hold the module on the board, because you want the connectors to make a good connection with the pins on the motherboard connector, and it seems to be properly seated. And now I still need to connect the antennas. I'm going to get closer so you can see each of these antennas, two antennas, but the new module you install can even have a connection for 3 antennas. This one only has 2 connections. And now we have to connect the antennas. It is more difficult to connect than to remove the antennas, especially when I'm holding the computer and filming at the same time. So we position the antenna where it's going to plug in, we hold the wire, and with the other hand we press it into place. One antenna is already done. Now we do it for the second antenna. When it's okay, press to connect. And that's it. They are the 2 antennas and the new card installed on this computer. Now we have a better Wi-Fi, Bluetooth with the current standard, but using the same antennas, because replacing the antennas will be much more complicated. We don't need to do that, but you can do it if necessary. And that's how you repair or upgrade the wireless connectivity card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or whatever is in the future on this computer, the Lenovo V15 G2 ITL. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos about this computer on my channel, and now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this computer or wireless connectivity on computers, write in the comments.